Affirmation is a sensory, vibrant experience. It's seeing, feeling, and believing in your heart that what you desire is already yours before any visible proof arrives. Breathe these affirmations in deeply and repeat them, allowing each one to root itself in your being. I send deep, warm gratitude to every cell of my body. I am thankful for its strength and resilience. And in this moment, I choose to elevate. I am rising, and an energy that is not serving me is dissolving and leaving my space. I am grateful, empowered, and I honor the beauty of my soul. And I am enough. Just as I am more than enough. I am filled with purpose and endless potential, and I radiate my true, authentic light confidently and boldly. I am growing stronger and more courageous each day, and every single day I manifest beautiful, fulfilling experiences, and my life is rewarding, expanding, and full of meaning. I am resilient. I am powerful. I walk my path with grace, dignity, and ease. And my energy is light, free, and vibrant. I am beautifully, powerfully, and authentically me. Thank you for journeying to a higher state of being with me. The path forward is yours. Walk it boldly and let your inner light shine.